morning, students. Last time we have studied or completed first two sums of the exercise 7.2. Now we will start with the next sum. Sum is given in triangle ABC is an isosceles in which altitudes BE and CF drawn to equal sides AC and AB. This word is equal sides. The altitudes are not equal. Correct? The altitudes are drawn on the equal side. It means AC and AB are equal given. We have to show that altitudes are equal. It means we have to prove BE is equal to CF. So when we read the question, read in the proper way where these words are being joined. Now first, what is given? In triangle ABC is an isosceles and with the two equal sides AC and AB. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, this is given. And another is given, that is a BE and CF are the altitudes drawn from the B and C. What is mean by the altitude? That is making an angle of 90 at the foot of the that is on where it intersects. So here E is a foot of the altitude. So angle E will becomes a 90 and F will becomes a 90. So that is a given, and what they have asked to prove. BE is equal to CF. First, to prove that is a BE is equal to CF, we will consider the triangle in a such way that these two triangles are in such that BE will be the side of one triangle while CF will be the side of the another triangle. Now I have considered the triangle ABE and ACF, or you can consider BFC. This is also the one, and BEC. If you'll try to prove this two, then also we can say BE is equal to CF, that is a congruent. So for the congruency, we can select any two triangles. I have selected the triangle ABE. As we have selected ABE and ACF, because AB is equal to AC given, I can use it directly. And if you consider the triangle BEC and BFC, then as AB is congruent to AC, we have studied one theorem. The two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. Then angle B will be equals to angle C. That first statement you have to write. Now, what is the given? BE and CF are altitudes drawn from B and C. Now, just as stated, I have considered a triangle ABE and ACF. I can write AB is equal to AC given directly. Then angle E is equal to angle F, each 90 because they are perpendicular drawn, and angle A is equal to angle A, that is a common angle. This angle E is a common because when we consider this triangle ABE and ACF, the angle A remains the same. So that is angle A is equal to angle A, that is a common angle, and therefore the triangles are congruent by AAS congruency. And as the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So BE is equal to CF and hence proved. Now we will go with the, that is a ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF on the sides AC and AB are equal. Now what they have stated, altitudes are equal. So they have given that BE is equal to CF, that is a given. And we have to prove AB is congruent to triangle ACF and AB is equal to AC, or we can say that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So first we'll write given. In triangle ABC, BE and CF are altitudes and they are equal. So BE is equal to CF, that is a given. And we have to prove triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and AB is equal to AC. The proof, what is a given? ABC. In triangle ABC, BE and CF are the altitudes. So natural angle E is equal to angle F. Now in triangle ABE and ACF, what is a given? BE is equal to CF, that was a given part. Then angle E will be equals to angle F, each 90. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is a common angle. So again by AAS congruency, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. That is the first part is been proved. Now as the CPCT, what we'll get? AB will be equals to AC. That will be the CPCT. And as the two sides of a triangle are equal, we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. And hence we have proved that result as well. Hope you must have understood it. Thank you, students.